Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool oven right here, and basically what this is a corner protector. And we see for the one that we got right here from this brand. And for the one that we got right here, it does come in a pack of 12 of them. So first I'm going to open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So first the inside, we see they do probably some tape or some stickers that you use to stick on the actual product. And once you guys do stick it on the product, you basically want to peel out the other side and stick it wherever you guys do have a sharp corner. Next up inside they do probably some measuring tape that you can use if you guys do want to. And last but not least, eventually we do have the product inside. So eventually we do have 12 of them and all of them are the same. So I'm actually take out one of them to show you guys what it looks like. So once you guys do take it out, this is what the product looks like. And when you guys do feel the materials on here, it definitely feels like a high quality plastic or silicone material that will definitely give you guys that protection when you guys do set it up. And then for the other side, see we do have the tape. So you see how they have the tape all set right here, and all you need to do is just peel out the white part and stick it wherever you guys want. And you do have the option to take these out and use the backup one just in case if you guys do want to, which is pretty cool. And you see the size of the product is definitely pretty big. It's much bigger than your normal corner protectors, and it also feels like a high quality material as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now we just go set this up to show you guys what it looks like, and then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. So what you have to do is take off the tape inside. Once you guys take it out, you guys can stick it on and hold it for a few seconds. And it's all set. So this is what the product looks like once you guys do set it up. And when you guys do bump on here, it definitely has that protection on here, so that way you guys won't hurt yourself. Welcome back guys. So nice little quick test of the product, and definitely actually does work and actually works quite well. And you see the whole setup process and everything didn't take that long. It's actually very easy and very simple. All you need to do is just peel out the tape and just stick it wherever you guys need to. And then once you guys finish setting it up, you definitely have the protection on the corner. So that way if you guys actually did bump on it, you won't hurt yourself anymore. Especially if you guys do have a child or if you guys have a kid. So whether if you guys don't use it at home, in the office, or anywhere else, that is totally up to you guys. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are in the market looking for some high quality corner protectors to stick onto any sharp end or sharp corners, so that way you guys won't hurt yourself or anywhere else. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.